What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So her hair has been washed and conditioned. I'll put what I use down in the description box. I'm gonna start out by spraying her hair with warm water, and then I'm gonna add some Cream of Nature Strengthen and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all, I love this product for Maya and for my hair, but this does nothing for her hair. So I went ahead and used this Taliah Waajid Easy Herbal Comb Out. Her hair definitely needs something heavy. And that spray is just too light. It does nothing. Her hair laughs at that product. It does nothing. So anyway, that's what I'm using to moisturize her hair. And then I'm going to seal in the moisture with Blue Magic Super Sure Grow. And for like a styler to prevent flyaways and stuff, I'm going to be using the Curl Piece Grip Glaze. So to start the style, I parted it in like a triangle off to the side. You can see what I'm doing. And I'm basically just going to do a bunch of ponytails, a bunch of beads. This is one of those styles that definitely your child should be able to wear for an entire week. And it is protective because her ends will be tucked away. It's one of those styles that's easy to do, but it looks like you did something. So, yeah. So I did 4 or 5 twists here and I added some beads. I do go later and add more beads just because I don't know, I thought it looked better with more beads. Also, if you have a child with really thick hair to where it won't fit in the beads, do smaller twists, or you could also do rope twists, which I'll do a video on that real soon. So yeah, and then I just added a bobble to add some pizzazz. Now I'm gonna do a small flat twist around the perimeter of this ponytail. So I hope that makes sense. I think you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do a flat twist around the base of this ponytail, and her hair is so thick that initially it's going to be one twist, but later in the video you'll see that I broke it into 2 twists. Also, remember, anytime you're doing a flat twist, make sure your child's hair is completely detangled and combed out. I thought I detangled her hair, but I kept running into tangles. So if you don't comb it out first, one, your twists are going to look kind of disproportional, and is that a word? Unproportioned, and 2, you're going to end up with tears. Okay, so anyway, here's my flat twist, and as you can see, it's real bulky when I get toward her around her ear because her hair is so thick right here. So later you'll see that I actually broke this into 2 twists instead of 1. So I'm basically going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to put one ponytail on the side, and then I'm going to do a flat twist around the perimeter of the ponytail. Same thing I did on the other side. Here's how that looks with this side done. So as you can see, I just did a twist right down the side, and I added a bobble to the ponytail. All right, easy peasy, super easy, but it looks like I actually really did something. All right, so I'm just going to show you where I split these up. So you can see here where I had to split it up. It still looks bulky, but it was a little easier getting it through those beads once I split it up. So yeah, very easy style. Anybody could do this style. And like I said before, it should last about a week. So this should last a good school week. Now for the back, super easy. I'm just going to split it right down the middle. Well, basically I'm going to split the back into fours. And I'm just going to do twists and beads on the end. And that is it. That's the whole style. If you want to try something a little different here for these top two ponytails, you could do little buns too, instead of twists and beads. I think buns would be super cute. Now that I'm looking at it, that's probably what I would have done. But anyway, that's just another variation of the style if you want to try that. here's how that looks. 3 twists on the top and 1 on the bottom. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. On the other side, I think I ended up putting 2 twists on the bottom because her hair is thicker on that side of her head. But yeah, but for the most part, I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. For her edges, y'all know I don't get too jazzy with the edges, but I just brush them down and use the grip glaze to kind of lay them down, you know, to polish out the style. And that is it. This is the entire style. I think it is so cute. And also with this style, I can really see how much her hair has grown. Her hair is getting so long and so thick. But yeah, anyway, this is the style. She loved it. You know, my girls love beads. And so yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe and let me know down in the comments if you're going to try this style. All right, until next time, peace.